Hi, I'm just doing an update on my part two video. I posted one that did not have a good microphone setting, and now I have my mic back. Okay, I want to start using in the setup. This is the setup, the machine selection. And Fusion's kind of steering you towards using the full machine simulation, but I want to be able to take advantage of machine selections that are built into it without machine simulation. So I'll show you what I mean. All right. These are previous older ones I have, and see, these have no attachment to a simulated machine. These used to be available. I just renamed them for now. But I kind of figured out how to get them because anything with a box at the end is a simulation machine. And if you go through the whole list, they're all pretty much all simulation machines now, except for a couple. This Haas A axis is one. Actually, that one might work. Or the ones without the boxes. So I did one with a generic um, Autodesk one. But I could just do this one. I'm going to hit copy and I'm going to put my local one. I'm going to put paste right here. Do I want the machine connector? I'm going to say no. All right. Even though it still gives you it. I'm going to hit edit. It's not connected to a machine. So up here, we're going to rename this the STC Haas TM1P machine, right? And get rid of that. All right. Capabilities. Supports tool preload. No. Number of tools, it only has 10. Maximum feed rate is 400. Kinematics, we got Z. All right, we got rapid feed rate of 400. I'm going to put the maximum feed rate as 300. Head. This is where you want to have it. I'm going to have like 10 RPM minimum, and the maximum is 6,000. I'm just going to put 1 there. Maximum tool length, I think I'll put like 6 is max, and tool diameter is 3-inch for the face mill. Y-axis. Do the same thing. 400 and 300. X-axis, same thing. 400 and 300. A-axis, we don't have one, so delete that one. Table, nothing else there. Post-processing. Which post are we using? I'm going to go click on this and say, no, we're not using the pre-NGC one. I can go in the library, or I can go into my cloud or my archive right here. I'm going to pick the NGC one. I have it labeled. Hit select. Where am I going to dump my files? I'm going to put them on the desktop. Additional settings, tool change at time, 15. I'm going to call that 12 seconds. Machine connector I'm not really using, but I got classic Siemens, so I'm not using that. Okay, hit OK. All right, now I'm going to hit select, and that's going to be my new machine. And right off the bat, it's got a warning here. I'm going to hit OK here. The warning says spindle speed is larger than supported for this machine. Ooh, what is it? It's 8,100. I can't use that. I gotta go 6,000 maximum. Whoops. Back it up a little bit. Make sure my feed per tooth, because it seems to want to adjust that. We're at 6 minutes 23, and recalculates now. It's 8 minutes 51. That's fine. I think I need to regenerate that. And hopefully the warning goes away. I know adaptive takes a little calculation time. There it is, gone away. So I got the operation times turned on. I know it's down here, but I can see each individual operation. This is 8 minutes 51. Okay, let's say I was doing like lathe work. I'm going to do another example here of why machine selection is good. I'm going to pick the Fusion pen. We were doing pens, and that was a lathe project, right? And I was posting, and I actually was, see right there, post was lathe, because I picked a machine. So let's just leave it at that, hit post. This one updates. I go get my G code. I can see that's correct. I go back to this one, and let's say we did not have the machine selected, right? And okay. All right, go back to this one. G code time. I gotta make sure I save that. File, save. Okay. Keeps on saving the machine. Edit. I'm trying to create a problem here, so, and I'll show you why it's beneficial. Because right now we are only got the post up there, no machine. All right, I go back to this machine. I go to the post, and it's still on turning. So if I had the machine config done, because I might post the code and do this, and then all of a sudden I get a warning. It says failed to post, and if I look and go, what's going on? It's because I didn't have the correct post. So if I had selected the machine originally, this one here, it's already aligned to the correct post. So that's a second advantage of machine selection. But that's without simulation. So this is like better flow through as far as having the correct post and identifying that these RPMs are correct. And I've actually had to pick up that one of the tool diameters was incorrect because we had a machine that could not take a 3-inch face mill, and we had it in there, and it said, no, your tool diameter is too big. So you can use a lot of this stuff to your advantage, okay? This is Ed, the CNC Dude, signing off.